Good morning, students. I am Vinod Kumar Singh from Dhir Memorial School. Today, I discussion with you History Chapter First, Part 4, The Making of Germany and Italy. Children, after 1848, nationalism in Europe moved away from, in association with democracy and revolution, conservatives often mobilized nationalist sentiment to promote state power and achieving political dominance over Europe. 1848 tried to unite the different religions of the German Confederation into the nation state, which governed in an elected parliament. Persia looked on the leadership of the movement for national unification. The chief minister Otto von Bismarck was the include of this process, carried with the help of the Persian army, with Austria, Denmark, and third one of France. 1871, the Persian king William I and proclaimed German emperor on the Germany held at Versailles. 18 January 1871, the princes of the German states, representative of the army, important Persian ministers including the chief ministers Otto von Bismarck assembled in the unheated half of mirrors in the palace of Versailles. The new state placed a strong emphasis on the modernizing the currency, banking, legal, and judicial system of Germany. Like Germany, Italy too had a long history of political stagnation. There were axis of the many national Habsburg Empire. Italy was divided into 7 states in which only one Sardinia Pennines were ruled by the Italian princely house. 1830, we know that the Giuseppe Mazzini attempt in unique Italian Republic was put together on a credence program. It had also formed a secret society, is known as Young Italy. His responsibility of uniting Italian state that was fell on Sardinia, Piedmont, under the rules King Victor Emmanuel II. Chief Minister Cavour led to the movement to unity the regions of Italy. Cavour assigned a tactful diplomatic alliance with France and succeeded of defeating the Austrian forces in 1859. Apart from Italy and the kingdom of two Cilicia, and succeed of drive out of the Spanish rulers with the support of the local peasant in 1861. Victor Emmanuel II was proclaimed king of the untitled Italy. The Great Britain is considered of some scholars as the model of the national state. All of these ethnic groups had their own culture and political tradition. In 1688, after long drawn opposition and struggle, the England Parliament had seized power from the monarchy. As the Act of Union between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain. The Catholic claims were inhabited the Scottish Highland, wherever attempted of asset their independence, they were brutally surprised of Scottish Highlander and forbade to speak the Gaelic language, to wear their national dress, and large number were driven out of their humber. So, Ireland suffered a similar fate. It was country deeply divided between Catholic and Protestant. British nation was forget how the preparation of dominant English culture. The symbol of the new Britain, the British flag, Union Jack, the national anthem, and the English language were visually promoted, and the old nation survived only as the Cyberdianic panther of the nation.